Kasi aba wo soro ne asase nyina ne asoa no eniwa wo mu nyina abo ho kutu Sompa hot bite de no no num mpai mu ene firi ase etuom saa ko ese ne nsia no bebode apa ho sima no be sadunum ansa na mpo beboaboa yen ho na ye bekopra maso no ensemi edi aso nyina tie eniwa nso edi ne hwe na ye de toawo na asepiesi yemfa ma for God and country for se wo mo eba be ye adwuma no se de be so nyame eni woni pani edosom yen sabra ye dru so de friend hot bite kasia enwura numo na so ye fa ne hyehye na eno no ena ya na ebi no musabi wo mo ntimi ntase nti wo mo prepre no ene na ye twe na topa so na ye nya adaje ewurawura ne nchenkemfuro mu nyina ma asem kono ye domo suko eko na ye kokosi ase na eno no ana adama ene ya tenase midimafo aba center Dr. Time da so eda no waso ye mu dendenden ene ye de mawo na no de asa mebo ne dia na anyare wa hodo ehhehye ho nyina na ho ne ye de time to yade so ama hotoba pokura se mayira yade ayira ne na mo mu kura adwane ama nipa ho atono ana ebu akwa agogo eho na yade apon na apo nyina agogo ma nipadua ne nya na ho oden just bread and pastries wonum na ye just hot cake de ye bone 3 Ghana cedis na so utimi cotton de 7 cedis edi mfa so pefo wo so no anwumre okuta ye mu na ye be firi so mpa fie nkran 106.5 FM Accra ha no live on 93.1 ehwe adabraka asantemamu sabre kro na makro abobo ano pe France abrochimamu adamfopa radio ye live for ho wo hwe wo Facebook no so no na wo sanso tibi e wo wasom doma 100.7 doma hinkro ensempa didem e wona osaje futi efiri ana afi enkransa ni nyina ye bona fam wo 90.7 na pro ye fam ho ana 106.1 Sompa Techimai edidem sa abrama no gusui 98.9 laji be kwa na abro sanum night market ho sunwane no no bona hinkro live ho ana afi kingdom 106.1 nso de amade hia won woman kesim Kena Shaban radio ensempa ni nam ho ana afi decoder so ba FM stations no wono Sompa won se kan yen ho Facebook no Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Sompa FM live Facebook ho eno nso benya YouTube ye wom ana afi www.sompaonline.com ensempa nyina egu apa no so a okwa benya bi wakenkan na wasanso ahwe no woni so triple man Apam Dadaa enemy de anwumre St. Augustine wode na wiase nyina apa no so na yewura tabo atenso abone boa de akoto online ho a okwa benya bia kenkan wo kenkan na wo sanhwe wani so enti yetumire na ya kire osie no nenne babia yade ya kase no hot bite ye ko bite ne hot no eye otimantem mu enche bia na menteme ho ase etwe ne ti wo mpotam ho meyie ehye na kora akoda wo no mo so na enkakra akra asa sundwe bua na nka wo mo no mano nti na se eturo no ekwa akotwere baabi etwere nanso yanka bia nhyem yankoda made enche a asamfoforo kora asa so asi ewo empotam ho odome na odome na ya chese enkwanta fa ho nso no ya ji ebinu makra afiri wo mu nsam ya sabre nipa miensa ati nananom wo nsedo enam saya so ama mpanimfo kora titru na afisa nso afo akasa wo ho na sade ensam no tie no de ekọ ebu aten de ebebu na mo de obu atentrodo no de ogina ho ankasa de ogina ho nso de na nem se eba otimantam a de enam no so na Sompa eduru ho na ho nsam nso eduru Sompa no na kan akwa aba nyame hu ye mobo na otimantam titru ne odome ne nkura hodo atwa ho hye ho nso
The last pension me look at the Obipiumo, Ewa, and Quanta South Municipality, I war with you man media. Sunday abo a yellow nue educono. As I say, I bang a renew a yaki for additional beer, a cocoa shed, need them, copy say, Namia do my etchina, matching bra abo a yellow here. Now, near ever and now no, and a year regional house of chiefs. A year. And crew and another Casahodon and Simon Son say 2023. Maintain one say a bar or more as the Edifa Assassin and betray a year Adele as today and a African. Sir, but yeah, I didn't ethical corner or much and uncle say a buying intervention now or the buy because or the bank of father the go a woman more from a Japan Baba. Now, at this time, and nobody say about you movie, I will carry. And the say about you movie, I will order me. I did bet you know, yes, and grow it to and quanta months now. It's almost what you say, or my friend, a year, and 24 a year, Casawudra, or Modera, no. Now, I'm wishing I think a bit near Juma. Now, or more establish a year 7-member a year committee. Na omo endo ensanumu sukwankasa na omo hwe nedi eyihe sant kwano eba ya enipakunkum ni emoja ekoso no na mpanyifo nyina eji etomo ade anchi enra yenda konko sore eye enwumre ya enipa baako eye enkron na etububa aka na nipa enkron no ba bi omo dan emu eye days ene chino nipa nyansa so omo de omo rashi ba eye enkwanta St. Joseph Hospital won kwanta mansi mo fa no omo so atwe na nanu wo eziado na nda adichi ya no na said dia eye intelligence eye defense eye intelligence ni NIB4 omo ga eye information na say omo anya ntema fa eye ehena mambetu eye be se enkutua be se enkro e won kwanta mansi mo fa wan hwe na omo twa eja to eye the municipal eye capital no so and then the Imperial Minister, I know, since I see the 2023, Nanka, Brigade, this is a case you know what, and Quanta Could your Mancasano, with your Mama and Enco a year, and we grew to try to say a year, the municipal capital, as the better and Kuntua and Chrome, and Famaka a year, the municipal capital, say the year. Or make me overcome a year detention, because the intelligence of Mutiki and pray, you know, and yeah, and growing to try and already win somebody. Because initially, no, I am contact Chromo, but to say, no, man, with a buying bono, a European award, the minister capital, you know, and say, once a Bible for the war, a year, and contact Chromo, Mupetrum, Obete, yes, Echana, now, Ubi, Mini Bako, Yako, Bonipiaco, Echana Yako Kumobi. And in Emma and Interior Minister Ocean release now the bike if you know almost a renew now base over 9 communities are and Pennsylvania the new idea abonon these 9 communities are and Quanta could as Obia Nedamon to me say Chanankupo Yetuma and a family son of a P80 and then the Primo Kuno and the Kula than in some boom Bambo Fonquan a year then Ecoba Edica a year. Essential for Kakra or more yet or only a year by more fun and or more and a year over 2 or which I say I should get bitching yaba.
Ah, Nana King say ye hair odomia a free Nquanta equa hono. Say na besia chere, Quensino do say and a womb. Na Sankawo yen north, south, east, and west. A hen abijinana watcher and so from Quanta ko. Odomia aha na abefa ya wo mo so hye ya to awon
what one more meaning say one more muti eye Sompa no addition do na fi ensiman kan wafa na wujina enkwanta krudian wa eye odomi kiri no ena kumase no eno no ewo east eno no ele eye the board of eye yinyo eye tugo for no. And it's a wujina the eastern corridor no so we win the northern sector ni dimble ni yendi na odomeni kirino eno was segia obia no ede itino na from Enquanta township to odomino and shana why about basic 3 kilometers and sorry 3 miles now obia do a hono na honsu na kwako ye family community na ye 18 odomino ena kirino odomino actually for ni chala for and now who could do a caring Nankasana, caring the mission of a year all the tribes, this is a Concoma, a year now for and Adela for San Omata and Abomo. And now no TJ, and I already made a year, no, Mammy didn't name Kalan, so a book of paper, Abba. Many Ekasa no, or Bukoya, or Mamma, it didn't be the chapel for good job, Mammy, in Kalano. Not another Nanka, your chance. I had the original command already released, but I'm not busy because I do media. You know, because sometimes Mr. Media report is it may rise a year tension. And now the year, and then one of them call to you. And now say TD, I come on my meeting, many Kuala, you know, for faith, and I had an idea of you. Obi Edinage, and I could do you, which I could put you up more opinions. I will be wrong offer. Eti enkwanta se de enkwanta akoko ye no maybe say me GDP and go into no original house of six or more president nana Suglo Okasa and Kabuka so member committee no about now and now the original coordinator council Ghana and she share and the Bible and no which means saying to me and before because before the tribes didn't want for no not as not only we say only I established the 7 member committee not only investigate a year no the root cause of the year the echo to everyone quanta. Okay. Okay, so now medicine MO now. Idea young because the information so long. That's why I say I buy a case up to a year of a chrono and I buy more for so or my actually I increase a year platoon. But still the civilians now no more or what is no more a do more every year a do more young information is likely another possible so make rise and natural. Now, in addition, I buy no bigger as I seen as Musama, and as I buy the subject to a quantum and I buy it to some Yaba or making a amateur a Fabaku the job to get a yard. Now, your cock at the same vampire. My answer says no, said yesterday no, because Mekai pass a major travel to a medina by more for no soldiers only. Yes, civilians for not almost exchange a year down shows. One channel will so. And to your vampire, Necos one quanta, and maybe yes, I buy no pie and terminal or with a year to the buy and Cabadi sample the Bianco or much a cut to a crew to my capacity. Among 4 Akuma was papa.
And Nana Kane, the air cost in no. Timamufo na one kasa victim ma saa de e fa wo mo hono wo matimi a kire se e fa we na edi sa adwuma no ana se fa we wo mo a perpetrators no mato mo ho popoye said the conflict no eden econo sometimes you know say o report say especially about where you be ya na etu media say who kobo a tribe didn't say omo na omo to akwakwese the other tribe so over say you end up say AGYA wo be the victim e wo momo because you say in the course no akwakwese mean for the AB for afa you know anasi nyensa no na the the afum show but no sometimes you know because me remember very well saying sometimes you know almost if I cause say one amu kasa mu boy dey say yen atu akoko she wo mu say yen akoko tu ache wo mu so no enti amom yes right yeah believe say by the nyankopa do ma up to echima no e the original command no say air police for no omu di omu release the babon na kan ye jawo na mu enti se sie wonu ma won ho akan no e carryfo ni bia ana se ukọ odomi ho na won mo ye atwarefo ni bia na ahefo a hefo na wo mo ho aka kese pa
so far no won mo aka kese pa no ye chalafo okay chalafo no mo aka pa because we say odomi ho no mo na ye chala na ye de chalafo wo no mo but ukọ kirusa akedefo no don so ba konkomo fo no de na efra mo enti wempo na ababutu ja no Nania ye na ye bomba e se to se afam bi no nkwa bonko for na the schedule e bia ato o se dia ye bomba se man nfa enko the other third and not the third party which is a ye no the northerners in particular because say about say be almost so upright there obo say almost enya dey almost finish so almost sorry at this point you know obetimi say chalafon no omo wide and akamo because I remember very well say eno no yan fa ma bontin na food vendor bia ono otoni indomie okwan no actually ni obi beto ediane oto ediane na eko ye no ebo ni tuo etu ewo eye adino yes yeah bonito all right be panaba beto ediane all right oto ediane no odane ne won say oye den o man nsa no na etu ajiso etu ora no actually ni another time you know na ba so to motor bag so no so yakoko bonito adino akoko say you say one side no etinye ye microphone ni panyi no a what the other side so try to so my ye microphone ni panyi no ye dey for na just a moment the capture it is answer amuso wo be dey aka na e wo so almost ambra ba di sana conflict no akoko ye but e bon price we na o ma extend a year case you know to over a year 9 communities you know security for no betini anya a year full control na ekotomo a year edechina nanka ma bi fufu behind that empathy
and they say communities are council no say na hotie
yeah communities aka a bit say brunia say a bit say tutupini a bit say kechibi a bit so ofoso and kuni dey be ko afono no which means a Muslim no a now funny concomofa into omun can a interquana mo. San 9 communities ya na omu piki ya medication at the nacono a yen yanuma omu or menfanse kasahudon and sana omukunto kwano a home omun maybe omu dominated pano or maybe a education either but the other places are medical boy no omono omu concomo for now before and other young for into often interfering but better still no the sure say once by more for or more a good true no on so beginning or making up intelligence yeah they are extended to those communities so on there but sometimes making up as a honor as you be a honor
and say oh a kawana
oh maybe may in particular no and Tommy that's that in the conflict zone was said the Uber position a year and sometimes you know yeah well a year we can find it you need a year top security for us on Ominian say we cannot minimum better no you need a year by more for and a year then a party can about the answer not the year a report no
mo so ho na peba bi papa bi tina na anu achi no tie sompa no na hwe sompa TV no na fitara wan no saa na o ne na Facebook ho kopem sa de be chiam asa ba abonten so na waka cha wom se wo mo masondwe mra na wo man ne nchekire no eye nkakra se ya na mom enye ya ye ho na ye be chi ye ho awe abusu yankwanta ne ye wo no de esi wo dome ama sese nkroto be ese nkono wonum nyina wo hye nada wo mo so ena na ken wonya adaje aboho ama ne efiri asase e de akwa akosi babia eduru sese sese a mekase no wo mo yeso afo hwe afisem so nani abre papa ene national security no wo maka wonti apam ho ama wo hye nda no eda wo mo so sese nonum no wo mada je ade a kye no pa no nsi ansan wo masode nti se wo na wadwuma no se wuduru ho nonum kura no a sese de esi nti no aye bibie wo ho nti eno na kembo so se keri abrowanko ene abrowanko janshen nyambo nom ne nyambo janshen sheri ne kromase afi power nyankoma odome kona chene honkwanta nyina no sesei ededa won mo so na nanom ne aninti ne wo mo aka bi ebem ya wo mo ho nyina no nsoro de wonti se ho ahukwampa wo mbefa so a saa were ho semi no wo betimi atwa abahwe ano na se ye bete nkwanta din ewo ye kase ebo ahodo mo kura na nipa bi a epi ho ho nkomo na yedie na sade ade no enye ne edikan ni o ayekon ayeno ayesa na no na eba ne se ya yende yansanchurofo enti ya na yebusansem ewo ho sade be ya enti asere ye beti ni ye na duba bi na asam no sha ase ese ya yese entokwade ya sha ase krutia no na mpatade nde nso firi krona na afu ehia no enti se be ye na asundwe beba ho enti na ya yire ye ho a ye kon ho ntintini ye kasa ebusa mu nsem de ese ye na se e wo se ye biribia ene AGYA ben wo mo a eba bambo mu a wo ma ben pa ne yetime eben wo mo kane anka ye ka se yekobusa abrewa e wo bambo mu afe eba se menteme ho ase yebetimi aso ano ama asundua banso a wa ben wo ho pa ebi ye bukata na wo sisi wo nka de wunhunu bibia wono no wo hwepetetekram si ya na wo hunu ne yebesi daache na watu hofo ye ra Richard Commodore na ase na meka menkomo na ye tentente no wo ahoma no so ye me no na ye musasa de esi wo nkwantai wonde aben wo bambo mu pa o efri he na de ne ebewe a yebetimi etwa aba ahwe sa antokoya no miro ate anka Sompa hot bite ni o ye mo adwe mo akwa aba
mpacha me da se yanko
mo na ye wura de esi wo enkwanta fofora ma se curfew no fofora asa akoko ka hoyi ene ye di ho nkomo se ade no se de ese ye so no ena ye ntimi nso no sa ana se de ne firi sura bate bayira ho mamu a ye nem se de nka kwa akote ada asa aka ne hoyi
why am one becoming in share law enforcement officers very proud to say last one say being CBU and to the extent that we see we did say law enforcement for the aggressive now perpetrators no they will bring them to books and also make sure that community leaders will be engaged effectively. Then the affected communities they will be taken care of. Other than that, curfew is a short-term measure to ensure that law enforcement officers are taking grip of the area. Until they are able to do so, then the curfew is going to continue for a long time. But I want to believe that law enforcement will take advantage of the curfew to be able to do what is right.
Me rode e babambo mu a wabe mu pa na nkomo ensu na bambofo no nsu tie se de edi kan si ya wo mo de o hye nato so ewi asa na adwo na asa wo mo pagya ya sese foforo asan asi enkuro no a asisi su nso no kura asa ben kwanta afoforo nso wo ho a wo de e beka se enyansi ho na nso abo na tiwu nua so a ye ka se sore ye nso na monya sore no so na e wo nkwanta na edidia ma sese akowurawura mu wo odo menom ama abrewanko ne mmea ahodo nyina nso wo mo ho akokan wo mo aka sesei ya ye beka se ho de hye nnane bi nna so no de na ese wo mo yo na wo mo na sa afan antre ankwa nkodi ho
definitely we are very vigilant. So when you see something, you report it as quickly as possible. Number two, community leaders and also on better and more free and also more free there. Almost important for distance, and no more report to more police as quickly as possible. The bonfire is there. No police before you reporting more. On better and more, very effective, very critical. Again, it's in a sense that all of us are determined to stop this violence. Other than that, public education should come. And number of resources needed within the area. So, almost and this is in a very long distance. Best of it, this kind of violence. And I said that is part of it.
Mura, the SCA nyina no. Yentime nkyerɛ sɛ yesumesi anase benten ene bedi sɛ adwuma no wo firi ko benkum anase nifa na eba ne sa ema ya setena ne nye hu dodo
to the extent that we actually yama curfew and the best thing is police in particular mobile as quickly as possible to find out that omo dey who omo free chroma and omo free outside that they police will power to find out who they are and make sure they get to the perpetrators as quickly as possible. And Mama said, IDP deploy a number of investigators and a number of intelligence officers within the area. And to the IDP group, together with the BNI and the Cyber Security Authority, to the extent of my Juma, they are bomb in a part of Munya Resort. But this is a way so they'll put their heads together. Now, seven years some of the military force to the Papa of Walmart, Yabena results in the near future and within the immediate circumstances.
Oh, sir, and we are Sanaya Kurakuma and Komoya Yedi, no, say a Bukra carbon for no one. And I was say, we are Sana Aya Kurakuma, Sana, a war package in Tinu Mutibi. na wo mo nso fa wo mo ho adwene technology as I say ye wura mu aduru baabi no biribi ni ho ya ebetimi de ehunu saafo na wo mu di sa adwuma yi say wo besi drone kura nam soro ana cameras bi no ma ya mount eno no betimi ehuhunu sa ne ma no esan say enche bi ye hu say yesisi cameras bi mo enyanya adwuma mo a
no say about CCTV a monitoring device and only it doesn't stop crime from being committed by for investigation purposes. And similarly, I can say technology can play a role in terms of crime prevention and arresting of perpetrators. And in America, is the Cyber Security Authority. Now, in fact, American technology, but Cyber Security Authority for only the technological side of things. Now, over police in America, the cyber vetting team also that level of technology. Then you have the signal bureau, almost over that level of technology. Then you have the BNI for almost over that level of technology. And it's about the combined efforts of the police, the BNI, and the Cyber Security Authority and the Signal Bureau. Over technology, almost committees at a crime, any number of them. The law enforcement officers can get to them as quickly as possible and make sure they get them arrested. Even though some level of crime when they are committed, it can take a week, it can take a month to get to the perpetrator. But Osha Juma Modi in the past, and they will get to the perpetrators as quickly as possible and make some normal of arrest.
Yewra Kumado, ansana yebeja wo nema mu akono. Carefree uyi nkwanta de etu nchen ya Ghana ha enye ho nko enche bia ukọ sampa ne na afa ebisi ho yakosiri mantifi a ebisi ho ba bia ye wo sesei eba ye bambo mu a yen satimamufo edu ba bia bambofo ne kase yankase ye nika mo ye ho ban ansa na wo maduru ho na wono mo nso abone aye wo mo tiri mu man se wo de yen ko school no watu yemfo bone a abonefo sem etimi didi wo man ana afa ye twe yen ho firi ho ne ye bobra panso amfa so e de bebre yen wakwa yo bia wa ben wo bambo mu no ene ye ncha kakra bi
because continuously public education back here any awareness creation to the extent I'm not for the brain the consequences of committing a crime and the negative impact what communities and after the immediate families in the suit. And the public education awareness creation is very important. Number two, law enforcement engagement in the very, very important. Also the particular area the scattered nature of the communities and isolated nature of some communities from one to another, and it to me create some level of vacuum be a bonus for to me taking advantage. But because the law enforcement officers community, it is more the capacity to ensure that all our communities will be kept safe, provided we provide them with the necessary logistics and the support they will need.
Asemo Yewra Kumado enyumre ma ye no wase papa.
Thank you.
Bira wenya ede amayen na yenim sefoforo bi ebebobo ye nso ne yebesan so abo opunu mu bio wono Yewra Richard Kumado eba bambo mu a wabene pa asem no we de apokronkronkronkron ene wode amayen kwampa ebefa so a yebetimi etwa aba ede ahwe saa yero hosem ya no na sabio aboa ne ti wunu ya so a yenkoka se o sore ne so ne mo we sore yen so na yankasa nso yebetimi ehunu ye ne makuta na asundwie no a firitete na nanom epre ede ma yen eduru yen se ebe ye bia to aso no enye moja ne ye hwie agu na emom se ebeka yen ho abom na yebetimi a kyere ka na yebekon ati abonefosem na oman apema ko nanim ene dadwene no na busua eye ne se ya na ye hia di mafo medimafo e ba center Dr. Apam Dadaa yare bia ete so no kono wonfata amonto so esan se to da kura ansana sabi obi akoma be sode na adwene mu no ebe se wo meto ne nsa emfa mo wa no ma ne possible pa kakra mpa no enye kwa yare etimi de sa ade ne ba enti e wo so ko medimafo na Dr. Apam Dadaa se wa adwene no mu a won so press ne ma wo bra wo de edu papa e kan wo enti yare bia ete so no wo wa no aduru ebu akwa agogo abansu ku no hwe ni mo pe anase poku asemayira eno ane so obawo so na homa 0244774282 no bi amfa soro kwa anna no wa chenchena just bread and pastries pan no yenini wo mutimi ye ene emu pastries no race no yenindi wo mutimi yo ene se de enunsu ede etie na wo masade dokono ababeka ho na dokono no de me danso ne se baabia de wo mo bo na boden no ho 3 cities ne ye bo no nanso wo he dokono 3 cities ya se de nkame mafuta na etia na menim se medidi pa na mentimi ni tu enti ka ho wo de wo a wo ton dokono me te wo bre so aburu afi na wo kwa akoto ababefo no de akonikanika awiasa ababefo asi ho na wabeka to so ansa wachekere abenua wahwe ne kwa atententen fa okoma kojos wo kokan dodo bia wohia prete ne fako na kokan wantimi anche nam kura nam no yaye bi wo hodeda na no ane se wokotu akoton age wo mfaso enye obre so na ate mfaso na abedie dome commercial bank nachi na wo mutu enwumre wo kitaye mu dendenden na nsempa no ye de to awo ofa di kan no na etwa gu abusua. Said the Nanka can't say, do not open to this page until you are told to do so. Offer to me, no. Yes, ma'am.
I know any affairness as in be no. A drew say ya. Niakanyina, I saw you are some men at work. Young fansome the mouth. Now, ye PMO our judicial service, one more catch it. Woman, like I say, one more say, now no one more say, Ghana for the bray, Casa. Casa no, ya to the be a quiet frama. Waka ewu ne dia gubere na wo so won be kire nsem sana no a wo ma yitem wafo pani chief justice Paul Bafoboni wo mu ne Canada na wo ne Ghana ba pani kura wodi kan we mampani abedi akire na wo ne ne mfo ne twaguo awo tono na wo mu ne namu a akoma Blasters of Ghana wo mu ko shi wo mu jama hye ana samoja mo nyina kura ka ho bie amanfo so wo mu nti bi da na amanfo nsem a wo mu ka nyina ne se na chief justice pa de si den na se vice president ko ba bia ada wo ya ne bodyguard ana wodi na chi je se wa kunkon se ne ya wakobo shot ana wodi na chi pe wo mo gine ho a wo mo ntiase afa kura de abusia da dwan de Facebook no se na be hwa de Sompa Accra 106.5 FM live Sompa Accra 106.5 FM live na urese ne vice president tiwa wa dwene ho because Chief Justice Tenenche one more can you so be a Shagana Tadia and one also crouch Mammy Jenny Pokwajima, one also Shagana Tadia with 50 white one eye black now, a black and white no, and be sir. And a Ghana for baby, a child boy Chief Justice radio, I am not the hododo. One more just say Ghana for us a boo. Ghana for be titulu pani on your phone. One more just say wait dear. As a Chief Justice why NBC organizer be and one more come baby and I know some agent fear you one another than I must see. Afi Blasters ko ba bi krempa vice president ne entourage kwa wono so we dimutinti matches we yi bodyguard ne kura free wo and we di vice president achi eno na judicial service for chese Ghana for ade dia ben so kura no chief justice wono akasa mu no kwa wo Canada nyina no wo mo kire se wo official leave kura we official vacation ya wo kwa akojojo na ho me en wono aye so be kwa Canada yi toyono no be kwa na jawa kwa jojo no kakra na se wo ko no ye Ghana ni na ne nyonko Ghana fo ya 32 million Ghanaians ye yi mu makoma be se duonu nsia so mu kosi o man na mu no se wo ko to no na wa nkwa se wo mu nkuna ya na wa anya ade akura se wo mai pani pa ye wa atemu osuo na kwa wo kro ye and one vice president kosia na nti wo imagine say chief justice wonam no akosia vice president na wo ankasa mu kura wonam na ahia wampia asan na we no kwa share vice president no kasa dabi media be convocation ti metwa misa dabi wo bu nipa wo nti menya sa enna man yes a wo koye ne bom kwa wo koye nyina no wo kire se wo ko Blasters camp wo say motivated solely by desire to support and encourage the Ghanaian national team enti ono ane pe anu ade ko so kwa show mu nkran no aka chwa say Panama de nko mo nyaman bia ye ba bo okran nko mo ka ho na nsan ya na aso mo ye bia hwentu mo nko ye bi mienhwe na Ghana fo kwa chi wo mo nhya mo ba ko pe ena mpa wo mo chi wo mo ehye wo mo ba ko enti Ghana fo nsam wo mo ka no ena judicial service aba be ya no che say oh enye say bia wo man na abo ne ho ka de ne ko nebom kwa wo ko ye we kura free ticket wo mche kura ma ne bi wono ara ni botom sika trap ticket e de ko stadium kokko hweye wono ara ni hotel visa bibia wono ara na asem wono ara sika kakra e de ma no wono e no de yeye eno nti mo ma ne din na
ene ebusua midima fo ba center no no mpai mu etua ma kofa ne no nsia enwumere kase no so mpa fie eno ne ye be e de ma wo no na me enwura ngomasua mu so fa ohwe enwomasua ho nsanso wo ma Ghana eyura heru na edusu na waka asem bi wo mrase badwa fie ho ama enkomo amanfo di wo nchen na akyerɛkyerɛfo de wo mo nso ka de ese waso ene wani wo de bra wi ase nyina pa na so Facebook wo Sompa Accra 106.5 live ura ho na fe fo adwenkyere beto so wo se achachafo no kwasem ni free ase ho ha kokosi soro ka de ye de bi papa a wo mo ne kura no achachafo be se mpemadu okono ye de o mayihia e de boama ye ntete ya bia hodo no wo matimi apim akọ wo manim nanso wo ho de wo pa nwoma so no enye na numude ye ne yie mu ntira saban betimi no wafa bi mu awura mu a empem nso na obetimi na de ye ntie se de wosika no.
The country has evolved and the country has undertaken some far-reaching reforms that will benefit education in the foreseeable future. Mr. Speaker, for instance, what my colleague Chair has said, you now have the Commission for Technical and Vocational Education, you now have the GES, and therefore when we are recruiting, we allocate both for TVET and for GES. But there is a difference between NEET and what I have budgetary approval for. My NEET is between 50 to 90,000 teachers, but I have clearance for 7,000, and that's what I'm making do with. Our financial clearance for the recruitment of 7,000 teachers, that is in the process. And Mr. Speaker, those categories that we are recruiting will begin work on the 1st of July.
Emra sabaja fie ho na yewura heru na edusu so afọ awono na hwe o man ye nwumosu ahon nsem so wo bie so ya Sompa kase nso ya boso amawe
nano na manfo kase nano wonim sa na no ka so be 50,000 no eno ya asem kase ye nwura manyosem mu na manyosem mu a ye wura yi na nsai wo de ona na Twitter no so Facebook TikTok and Facebook no ayi YouTube no so wono a wo be hunu se amanfo de Canada akompra kwa Japan ni video en nam so saa ya wa motetefa so saa adan ya wa show ma showdown nyame ya dom a dwumbo so me edi anim o afia ya be besimu no wa show ma showdown pa anu na me wafa Brian doctor ya champion wa kan bia to so no ka kire Canada say adwobre wo mo nto on boka kransa na wa ka kire Canada say akoma no wo soro wono ohuru za amanfo aye ne bone amanfo keka nsem mfredi mo nsem e de akire no na sese kura de okotok ne so a wono mo a wo so mo ye party fo no wo mo kura na age tok ne so bo so no mo super credit yakopro ko Japan e na branch champion ka chance brapa ne o de anya botre ma wo mo nka ne ombeka ha e nipa ho adwuma ne ye wo ye de ne ya wo nya ne totoroto na hwe na sa wo ka so be nya ne totoroto a Yesu Kristo kura amanfo tan anu nti wankasa mukura no na wakan wasi media mo mpo ene ye mese na mo dia wuye enti se Yesu Kristo president Kufuor mo wa kan wa dwen kire wo mo ena Akufuor adomo wa kan wa dwen kire wo empo adubu ahen wo mo budi na atem na nsisa wo kura wo ma flag bearer mpo amanfo di watem a de ya na asie enti jama ne nka we ye ne abran champion eka e de akire Canada compare ko Japan wo ne nyina na ko contest no ena wa kire ne se no kure ye ko ye se ne ade ekosi ye wuji tumu boko party na so mdwe enti enne wo be kasa na wo mo se da bi wo mo ma won kasa wo be ka kasa bo de ase oye mo a jawa mo na wodo a wode beba eno ena nipa bi aka no ho abomu a ke ko mo abomu a to petition ade akoma general secretary kana Justin Kodia from Paul JFK wo mo tro krata tenten de akoma secretary Japan wan se fata so be MPP ni wo mo mpam ne free party no se ya kwadwo na se wo kwadwo bi na se ye ba ne ye swan na se no kra de wusi ne swan wo nswan na se de obetete pasa de a ye nyini free party no we ye nipa bi na wo mo kire se credit akompre ko Japan no wo mo hwe di din enne niema wo ye ewo party no mu a wan sam fata na nipa a woka say na krata the petition kura de call ye nrada 18th ye ene wo choose petition ne call ni dia da so eye cha so opoku wono na wo ya deputy task coordinator ewo New Durban South abato mpesu anso kofori ampatam ho ewo no obutuo ena wo kire say Canada compare kwa Japan ne niema wo ye every be say bra wo be MP ewo man Ghana mu free asen central be MP ne nsem obekeka nyina na wo be hu ne ye na fa wo be hu ne ye na wura na ye kan sam fa ne ho Canada compare sam bi be ko position bia na Africa Canada Japan no chacho boku na kan wo se sam bi be ko position na Africa Canada Japan na no president Kufuor eje mu dia mama mpani Kufuor ado sa bra no candidate Kufuor ado Canada Japan no ena ndisi fo di nya won ena wa mo de ko opposition ma mess ne mahama e be fa akunyen afi on ba 2016 so a 2016 ya de be 2024 anka ba omi aba ba ji Canada Japan kro ye ne niema ye Mr Boom no di boom yi boss excavator wo se kwan na fe waji party na boss wa hijack party no ena wo ke kan sam sa ena party na san ko opposition so abejai na ma ayi wa mo aba ba mu so na na ye kan say we hospital ene ayi afaridie wade ato so no wade ato apaso se ne wo toto tilapia ena wo twa edije ne hye ne ni ase ede spices wurawuram afede yenko wiase a afia Jumbo so me adi animu afrasa e nam kwan so be ya ye nyina ye wura campaign mood mu no and we be MPP for showdown chese we be say MPP kura na say lot attack na the kura mfa no ho chasing elephant into the bush e no kura mfa no ho we be say MPP and the chase poku chese say MPP for nim ne ye ma omo Canada Japan wo mo mpam no say ne alanka se fa no ho a wo fa ne bag wo po fa ne potomanto ya wo free party no mu no wo mo nyine mfrim anya sa no mo anyina mfrim de ya and the opposition one bet na be se mfia duo ha
enti balance ha na se wo ya bosom na aba betena mu a balance ha won de kosua na eto na wo maka aka no a na eja no kwan na wo NPP for nsem ya ho na sese de watwe ti ka se national chairman no wo be fira sanchema ntem no wa ba be fagwa no na wo de so no awura bankasiem ama nkunimudi aye ne dia ho na e ka sa asem yewura benada njibo se akon ye bone mra ne se chema wuntumi Asante mantano NPP amanyoku titinani na asema wo court a na lawyer ndi apia kubi na ejina mu no na no yenhu de bae ende wa amama na edi ntira o se wa twene ho afirim asem no wono na nko ojina mu se mra nim ni lawyer wajai ma no wo mo de bobo ya ma bloggers ifufa bi ma bi no mo kire de asie na ewieye no yesesa wo nemo hwegu a na ehunu ne hyehye Jumbo so mene da na eto so dadu nenum e na obo asam atache edin se wo mra na wo ma mekuta ase no ma no na yewura atache anso akasa se de wo mbetumi bia se nyame de che a bo so me enso ne da eto so me ensa wo mbesa akobio e ho na wo motu asam na hye na se wo soro na ese wo muwura ana asase ase na ese wo muwura na wo munya ben e de ma chairman edwubo ase akon ma wo koye ne campaign a wo no mbeyo.
I've taken over the criminal case that lawyer APPIAH was handling. That's what I've done. But the rest of the cases are not with me. I will plead with the court for that. Because if you want to have fair trial, and if you want our input as part of the thinking of the judge, I believe it should enlarge time so that we'll be able to do what is necessary.
Lawyer Samuel Atachia, one na say, Chama won to mensam no, one na ejina mu. Ewo koto na wedi ama na ate se wakasa se kwan bia ombefa so a wombenya ben e de ama chairman no wono mbeyo abusia won san foforo mu no na no be se let's say some few years ago na ma me a friend sadina atuenu tamaklo ya na no koto se yamfa no kotum emfie du sanse nam na nsa so 90 million Ghana cedis abaya hwere no na wo ye kwa ne nam ye nyina ye nsan kwa ye chimera sisi a na mpanise san kwa fa ya na ye nchiri ye kwa ahoma ne so na ne lawyer Richard Ahiagba ye ne no akwa akobonkobo won ne kasa edema NPP amuyukuro ne se Dr. Brian ye champion e ka kire kene dia compare kwa Japan se ebe ya nka won tietia break kakra na party no mu no ebi bedi na tem President Kufuor kra ye di na tem ene bi nso atwere kra ta dia koma JFK se wo munyi kene de Japan every party no wonu aja wakasa de ma amuyukuro no san ko mo nyina no wo fa ne sen data o temenka Sompa FM so nie ma adwo
ya rinya
no hona mu boko
ya mi adom ya ho ye
ye da wurade ase ye ne atiefo da ase pa ebre ne adagye ye awanya ede ama ye na na me nhyɛ se mfiri ha kare de akompre ko Japan ne nsɛm a wo kan monya bi atie
Patai.
Wasu obama mu show down June next year o I don't know how month won
Yo madase na mechi etiefo na akafo na yete se me audio no andra said yete no na otia ayantwisi wom na ayenso so no ekie so na amamere aho kakra said the abana enya penny Kennedy Japan party other party na one party na one serve party the ticket so as MP about the saying na ene party where jina party no platform so akọ ni ma akọ do na waji din dan ha ni na na ni saying na sa party kro ya utumi da we na o face sa party this ebetimi egu no ebia lekodi wo mu on aka bi one chase anya wo de obi ayo bibi anya wo de nipa baako nipa mi so na aye sa de na ko ni de echimubi a enti no ye nyina ye chase enne aye nyina NPP for ye nyina be hia kora na ye se NPP be gu na ye nyina so se ye party no because party na ye dia dia ya beto na abedi yensem na ye hweso na ye dia e chiri pa enti ye ni sa nyina so no be biara da anka be ye se oba akofo enya sa enya so na na se tuni ni so ogu adia eye award for so ejapadi intimate na mwe ho takra but na nyina akwa ko yese bufu bi asedi a obi aka na se bibi a obi ene no aye enye party ni bi mu dipa no suban anase dipa no ene no nsem enpotam bibi a ankoji eno no fa party no so obi afomo no a on face dipa no ni dipa ni bi party ni nya ne boni abia ye fe ni patriotic party enye ye bra panic ni dia Japan ne boni it is a nipa bi na wo mu aye ne boni a nka se focus we no so a ahekwa ye nyina do support no ama oni se nipa no edi ne kwampa so na kwan so na party no so nteni se babu ne atwe se nipa na so a o atwe but I say pass it through the right process. But the face new patriotic party so they go no wouldn't be about say next year say and no nipa ba could be to me yes the lady kwans bet me aka tell me say nipa ba could be to me yes and no there kasa and walker and no there own to me and that's say ubenya say akumatoyem abeta da fa ibiara aye nipa ko ye NPP ni a wafomo no na on this side panel and fa kwaya na so the party structure crown the person training party mu na asem no yedi na nsumdwe eba no a on fa sa akon no so but the all can we mean say before asem no work at the nya de obeti aye say on the NPP be dey no you know sa going to be because of beyond to me enti party no ya de kase on ye dina ya beto aye so se Ghana obi and to me ko si say obetumi asega and say NPP enti na say obi nya akomatoye mo obi biara wa se mo no on fa kwanta so party structure support into no boss of the panel na on fa sa kwan so na yensisi ene say the panel na NPP ni de na o ka ho na nyina yenye manye yi
la adia ba ko a Ghana fo bi busa ne say okay mitie
but say adia say ebra no say party no na on dey bi wa and also akonya ho so betu so to me free but
no ese ofiri mu no eno nkyerɛ sɛ party one man for one man and we say be a party there and no yes I was grateful I'm a patriotic party
lawyer adia ba ko Ghana fo bi busa ne say Dr. Brechampod na no atum say ja ne bra no wonya na adwebre enna abrantie bi nso e friend say Charles Owusu deputy national test coordinator New Job in South constituency so every petition every aba makate say Kennedy kura yenyini free party num ebinom say Kennedy kasa wo kasa nyina no e kamea ye senia ase ebinom wo party num na ne kasa obeka bia no na ya bom mabunu ni bi pa ne some party affiliates no party members ni bi pa no mo so pa nti ode yaw se ne wo kasa bia yaw ne hye ni mu no ode yaw e wo bra binom di natam e no ode kasa asem o keka we nyina bomu a mo na mo wosoro ho ya na mo fa ne sen mpani si ye de dodo e na chichire party no
yo me da say ko se akemidie die me nim de be free abi wa politics because I'm fashion and ya bakosemu empeni fo a omadwene mu do a omo do kese pa e magana o tem se omo akasa omo kwa e be hwere omo ana se e do omo be fati bi bi mu a be twa omo so omo so original against British Empire say ya pa fa ho bi e mama ye mai se numpo and you have a fast way, and they are ready. And no more of my see or my. Intino say a ba na and then a queer woman. Oh no, being engineer, and yeah, can be a agent. Your system processes and so on. Oh no, being a seven days a year. To me, the pan across the petition, the pan and also the dependent bank in ICC. But then. About the idea where party mean that mean kind of correct and then didn't touch the also say. And then I'm meaning the same call for the actual what to actual Kutupa, only for ya Sabia, no Asuma, and could be at them, you could get them. I knew in yourself for that. A boa, a work public service move. Now say, oh, small man, and you book a share, and I say to my case, to my follow any book a share man. In the I say a person being in your mind to the patriotic party. I say to me clear what to say. A Juma, and you need to share, and it's a matter of man. And see, I tell you, I really get them and fossil. They're fossil back. But as someone say, may not sure so be as smart be said only on our Japan. May I say, as director of communication. My issue directed Bambu Bia said, young folk also on our NBC. NBC 4 and I am my could do a monster. Now, the Omoye and the Omoyano, the Monsu so affected Ghana 4. And I no in opposition. Ghana 4 near Casamo. Ghana 4 and the year, Mamma must say anything. Edison Pabesumomo. It is no Bia and Pano and Coco Kakri as the person so would be a Tremanasi. Or be also soon, yes, sir. But individuals indeed. Need party structure control. I say no more yes and one. The labor culture says I for now you share some of Nayan but on our book in Japan Nankasa Casa, but on our book in Japan Nankasa on one send assume your party constitution. We call your party constitution in Article 341A. Ekonwa ekase wo ye party ba se o promote party we data na okun eji party no akwa bia so nsemi a honorable Kennedy Japan or kana some no anya dia satisfy that constitutional requirement you know in actual fact no so be the petition kwa that petition is the air kono or ye the share constitution is so say mo wakai afuma na say mfumi. But what I say, many of us are no better say. The man of whom I'm in this is the provision of constitution and so we should say as a party banner. And only a party responsibility of a party member. So your member, and so we should say only yeah.
As a party member now.
It is a the honorable Japan said we are okay. and fact meet criteria. So, and Obia could be at more and yet, on so say a walk, a full constitutional. Then you know, yes, a constitutional, so that Ghana constitution, and so at Tiano. It is a president, I'm a woman, my name. The point of first woman, it's your constitution, the power, or so. Majority I say. So members our party, so you Japan, so you Mayu, who need be emphasizing and party. As I was saying, constitutional matter. If petition, the other is of the Kosha, now you tell me the other petition they come. And now says, send your own Japan. And no, and meet, and I say, against the constitution. Now the question of saying now to me, who does see who and they say, the constitution or not, another party will be on some change party, no?
Okay.
You know, remember, pet. So when I always see you, when I always see you, a kind party, a cow back, and count,
you know,
that's what I said. It's a constitution, no? And a day in an
okay.
In case you are sending some, but not petition, they are for the arts. There's something for the share. They are Nipano aside to petition. Now, Marshall say, a new constitutional able bra, a Kosana or how we are, over there, a man of about 2 years. I think they're ready to say MPP. You're making sure, say, you're actually paying, you're giving bra, a constitutional. Not party, any part, a company, the BO, not a big Japan, as some parties are the doing them.
Okay. Ebinum ka say party no say indiscipline ya bampa say mo amokasa de ma monyokuo no say sima baako anase sima baako ne fantam no bia utu party members no both rank and file esoro wode besi ase ho say utu omofo efa discipline ho a dia no be ka kire yen
yo me da say na ne say ekuo no esunchi obia ya ba say the sum ekuo ya masa ekuo no ensomo yen enti saani eba no say the sum ekuo ne dia yen hwe so ensomo ekuo ba ekuo ne sum no nso no MPP ne sum no nso no enkrata na ho yen fa san krata no enfa nye djuma na yen sum na ya bresum yen ma MPP no ko ni so de na na mo pia ba ni mo a enne abaso yeso a yen so yeso no yen fa din ka ho ma ye ni ye enne suma ye ba say the sum no MPP no ho de so enkofo yin na mfa sa enye djuma na be bo ama MPP akoso ama Ghana enya mfa so
yo Director General yabada ase so waje brani yabo nkomo ni nim say yakọ yanim no foforo bi ato fom a yabesa ba na eno ebo nkomo enwumre Sompa da ase
ida Australia
lawyer Richard Ahiagba enkrato obafotene adema NPP wosono kokroko awonyuko no nkomo ayedi ye nyina no ni nyina fa Kennedy akompre ko Japan ne nkomo a wosu obema showdown awo June say wo di ni birthday no a say wo ye June na me ye June ntimi me di me de no no di machi enti o di di ni wie ya no de showdown second one no de atoso eno de na ebia na wankobo mampani akufu ado den sansa da no de no say mampani akufu ado we ma showdown ba umia be ma showdown we de MPP for be ma obia showdown including President Kufuor eno won komo ene ya bo na binum so de petition e de akose papa no onya atra na ni atra ne nton watwa ne nsese wotwa eno nti party no kura we munyi ni film na Dr. Atakana de mo nya ho nya wotama kro mu nyina no eto amere bia we mu nyina bra wo mo frauty rules no we mu yi wo mu sinchen etwe wo mo aso abusu ya to akase ne so a na yegusu ejina mu wa minority wo mo nsem no mu number 5 ho no a na wane kire se ensamu a ekwaso wo man Ghana mu titiri pa ne nia efa ka na maslo kusi yo ya na no wo mo de ne ba ya wo mo kra extradition process no aban ba kra se wo ni extradition yi ama sa Apam Dadaa na no oteso na sa abra no an wo mama me 10 years no na wodwane ko she US no se wa bo man ne kro no enti ko to so wo ye kromfo na 90 million Ghana dollars impo ni nyina kwa akodi ne nsase se wa form man sika free ya wanya account bi amfa ma obi a wo ba ye no no so kra am ne we si wheelchair mu se ja ne nan wo yade wonti medante na wo mko fa ne free airport a Felix Kwachofo so be ka che se wo ne duafiefo nsam ya wo mo age no wa tu sa agrada de ne bi ya wo mo hwa no e wo ne duafie ho no eno na dom kuma no wo mo busa wo mra se dwam ho na ni pa wo ka se efia constituency abato mpeso ya so no wo mo mra se dwani orunyafo Isaac Nyakobo ama wo no na ye ka se wo se mo nchire ye ne duafie ku amode ma me ne kwato ye na ye nkwa hwe no bi krampa ne ato ayi para awe ni amambi ni kode ni ape ayi krakas bi dia ka ho dia akoma no na wo busa nyina no wo muso mo akini prisons e wo Ghana ha nyina including ne wa fikire ho wo mu hu no wo mu hu ma me no na na no wo mu baka say say mo na hya dem na mo twa ti ene economy tea fo na mo firi ho 1 2 no ma wura ho 1 2 no ma wura ho na sade ahodo na mo chinchi bom ede ma me ne die na mo hye da atwa ya ntro se wo da afiase no nya no kore na nya me ne nka ho we aya minority o mo member ba ko a wono na wo ya marache bedwani e wo afia constituency Isaac bo amanya akon wono ne ka say ni Isaac teach inside.
Let's call on good governance and accountability on the part of government. If government fails to provide that as we have requested, we will use all the available tools available to us in Parliament to make those inquiries so that the Minister for Interior may be asked those questions to come and provide details to us. But we don't need to trigger that option since government has to be accountable to its people. This is a matter of national interest. People have been in waiting. We all follow through the extradition processes and even the information that she's coming to the jurisdiction, and so it is incumbent on government to have provided information as to at what time did she arrive in Ghana, who was she handed over to, if she is in prison custody, which prison custody is she in, and fair details as to whether she is given or she's going to serve the full term. If this information is not provided, then you give room for people to question her whereabouts, and that is exactly what we are trying to ask.
We yera Isaac bu amanya akon efia constituency abato mbeso ya so no wono na yemra se bedwani o minority caucus no ka ho ene we busa se ma me said na tamakulu atuonu baby owo bia Ghana fo penechira kwan
baby owo bia Ghana fo penechira kwan ampa ne yakwa akosra no ne yakasa ma me nya hwe wo de kafra na fe se appeal bi wo ho ade yenyo na yenhunu nemom se sika no ebia kanko ade a tuama won na wo munye akiredi abusua ye to akase no so na ye wura kwayum so afọ ahwekwaya ho nsam so ye wura Eric Opoku ene wo se sabi ni mo entimu a etete wontoma ena wuti nso ene akwaya batinsa ya ye nyi akwaya batistai ne sa honti na no Ministry of Finance ye wura to ba forcing wo mabobo anu ho be boss so wo ma force so 1.6 billion o ma release wo ma pe e de agum se yemfa nkoboa emma wo ma yiku ayo entimi nyina yi na sade o si boss a wo kire no na che se ekọ so afọ a wo hweku ye ho nsem so na ekuafo no nso wo mo te wo mo afuom na wo ma baba wo mo no mu se apatupre ba woda prebuo mu a wo twa ne ma me age aduane wo mo hwe se fatena se ba esanse wo mo dua wo no mo hwe se abapa ne bi na eba ana se farmer say dino senate wo ma twa enya medui no mza minister na finance ministry say we release this cano de nti na ache boy we ya afi ya beja amakoma abagana o ana na minister say ninsanka sika bia na wo de yenti de okan.
We don't have any disagreement with the Ministry of Finance. Let me state this clearly. There is no disagreement. We are working as a group. There was miscommunication. And there was the need for us to clarify the issues. We clarified them and we are working together. There is no way we can disagree. Disagree to hinder the development of our nation. Our major preoccupation in government is to deliver to the admiration of the good people of our country. But because you people thrive on negative stories, you decided to dramatize the whole thing. There was nothing like conflict or whatever between us. We are working as a
ano so afọ he oman yekuya ye ho nsam so honorable Eric Opoku ene kasa ye ya ebinom kura bobo se jama woni ewura atofo senkura hwe ada wo mbehia wo mbebo atwede ne wo kyese enya de a mentimo ho ase bia wo mo entem na mom se de asam no kire no na wa kire mu yi
na woni nsam no a se wogusu a wo koto Eric Opoku no ana wogusu a wo koto yi woni esoafo a wo hwe awrokwacha eso ewo man Ghana mu na wodi na ntu abo no akopie PNA African Food International Limited woni makache no hwe mfidie gu ho mfidie ni ene ne papa wo mo yewo abo man Ghana no ene so de hwe imagine say sanka apam just kenke sanko mo mfidie sei na odeman kama crisp enso wo mfidie sei ene wo mo de boa aka PNA African Food International Limited ano a wo mo de ka mo ho sei ene yenya be hese makoma be nso aka ho amara ye du e wo man Ghana mu a anko man Ghana nkakuafo be ka se body aba ebuso apro ayekokọ asei wo breko adoma ko Chris betimi aye aduma ni nyina nanka buro yesi yenya tofo wo breko apam hot kenki ebetimi aye ni nyina na bra woduru ha wo kasa no wo bo abaso kan sei kan ho
when a president Bama say yenye agribusiness sabaya agriculture you ya no kwa na ye business no so e be kan ye mani na no go school because we are about so for the year for the year you mo bota na for the na for the social and as a for the be ja ka ba all this and we it's yes in na mo na ye ma obi a to omoni ma o yi na ye from the other say we so food and agriculture ye be jama buy iron shebia o ma ma ye futu bi tell from omo agro processing na kwa e fa say yema wodi tereso omo di guta won fesa woni obi a wodi anu na ka so processing wo shase e wo dan ko fidie bakra ni wa mo ade na ofoma na so mu na appeja ti dem di ni abebu e na very far ni e mba e very far man ya mo woni ko bi na di guta ho e na fa won bi fidie o be 150 million Ghana cedis e wo ya fa ma obi a se he na se do ho ya e na ma so go ti so na se Omar Subia, Yakabia, you are available, and that's all. Because the man who had it, teach you grass, Yana Mantia, Party, Amakama, and Madi Kamakasi, or Sas, Namaya Piafonso in us. I can't remember Sandy.
We as one for our coach as well. Kiajuma so my Ghana mo, Orion for Kupoku, what them sub-ball teacher. Nano, and a general manager, that PNA African Food International Limited cracker home. Wadano, general manager no, Ora Richard Menu. What the cracker on what's about? Where are you can you know Wakachi? One house no and maybe more cars one consequence, one warehouse no, Monyana one family.
Our farmers, there are a lot of warehouses for them for the storage of their produce. Because basically, as a company, we always want our products to be very fresh so that we can just do the production. And that's why we requested that we build more our warehouses for the farmers for their storage system. Basically, so those are the requests we make so that the Honorable Minister will facilitate the process for us. Yeah. But basically, as a company, we are looking at expansion. Now, currently, we have close to about 60 staff. We are doing one shift for now. We intend to do the 24-hour economy, so that we'll do 3 shifts, whereby we can increase our staff from 60 or 200. From now, we produce 2 weeks for a container. I believe with the support, in 5 days, we can produce for a container. That's 22,080 pieces of the product, the town product. That's the 800 grams as a container. That's why we are just trying to see our best. We also support so that we can be able to expand. But this is the private sector, basically, they can't do everything. We also need government support so that
we Richard Menu, one and a general manager. Wada PNA African Food International Limited ano. And wakachira ban say, Ankanya woman ya warehouse be at the boy woman and any yama woman yen. Go menya baby dear go up preserving a kama. Now so says woman ya baby papa be unfam wintino. Hey, Sammy and Sapan one by no madiaba, send ya by a woman mocker, Ghana for 2 years. No man say for. I don't hear my send ya quota as well for Abba Behuno, so I'm more yajumapano. I buy one so over to you, Jolati.
And over to you. My name is Krate. Ghana heya ana wonom edenia manifri. Nemum Australia montenso. Yeye kokodu e no wo mo intercept. Achi nipa miensa kura wo ho. Na sede wo mu si kire no Australia ho de eye enure asabi anka wo mo ma ho kwan. Na sede bibini adwene wo de yoko ye ni. Wa pakene fine bra Facebook no so na behwese broni no wo na kotu ho police ni o. Wo investigation intercept ya se bibia dida na kwa mu de wo mo kire se ye niam ewo mu na ye sa na so wo mo hwe na de fofrofra wo ma parking se bidie ye de ko Australia koma Australia for so wo ma so kropoto na eja wo mo de edi djuma se wo mo de se nro no a hye mfimfini de ko na wo mo aja wo mo ni hu dwan so abiribia wo mo timi ho bo ebebo ho nsem no kire se wo mo de ko America sika no mu a wo mu jae na ko na nko ni no kokko yi ni bidie no so obeto agu no wayi niam na ewom no anka anya hwe $296 million US de enko obeje wi abeda ne sikani wo maimu na wabrofo ye nso na sabira America say de wo maso wo mpanchi na no na wo mo chese Emma Hussein wono wo ka ho ana afi se wo he no kura Jason Stanton movie no wom wo was a movie no wo has a movie na Jason Stanton movie no wom Emma Hussein enede ne wo ka ho ma so ne penchi afi we ya ye kan nyina no wo maje ne ma no ya enhwemu guso ekoso na x-ray ene ma bibia trote ya wo mo ko hwemu a wo mo hu se bidie ne de egu ani na mo mfimfiri no enye hanko ene du ba bi a wo mo sheda pake ne ma ne ye de wo bese illegal na sha ase na police for na ye hwemu no wo mo hu with service with integrity na mo wo mo a Australia no so Australia mamu no wo mo so ani abre pa enti wo mo chese we Sydney port wo na wo munya asa ne ma no eche na sabra ma no gusu de hwemu mapa eguso okoso ye no detective for no acting superintendent Trevor Robinson wone ne dom wo mo ni abra wo mo ye mu hwehwemu de besi akire no Ghana ne firi ko ye nti no se tie bia ye bebo so na sadre ya wo mache ya ye ka ho asemi no abusua ene na ye frɛ ne se metafentane no na de bere ko animu ye de mu nsem beto
ye de baba na so sha no so say Australia fui ni enti o mani abre nyina na say me wo mani America fo wo mo kontokwa e wo park so e ye bobo no so ya the live commentary e de bra won ti sefo kan tanka bema e na afi abusuafo aka ne nyina wo mu nyina trance na ye de nkomo no e de abra e wo awroprama no so na medimafo ba center be dia ma yen enne anwumre sanse e ba ne se enwodwe ya de stroke no eno bi e na a chewo pa sisi ya de ama se ade to fam na wo fa da bia na wo predo ye me sisi ya de no a ne bekumi amanfo bo jiwagon ene Tesla ama won ho no odi e wo bo sisi ya de na ama ho se no ne beku jai sa de no yo na enye kura apam se da bia ya na waka wo se just kenki eno anu we de be ye nyina me sra pa wo de no diabetes prostate hypertension kidney failure anasa wo ne ma amanfo agi bedudwan no wo de e kokura abo amaya ka cho se nyame ya dom a kwasi ade ye Father's Day yantin amfra da e wo fi a awade ne begu no da ma fa yere na mo 9-10 times wa na mo famo ne nkire mu e wo medimafo ba center Dr. Tamada so na kache na yama mo ba ne bi boso me pepepe ubehunu sa afi atom oba ne ho adane na bibia ye boko me ba cho agide ye wawu nko a na adne du Dr. Tamada so na so ye ntimi enhwe no obi a ubetimi aba ye wabu akwa agogo asante mantam mu na afi eho ye ne aban suku no woni de animhwe na nkran hansu poku ase mayera eho ne yibutuo gi ye numbers no ya afre ye ne ye monkomo 0244 774282 0244 774-282 and 0500-727215 0500-727215 afe eduane papa no nie somebody can catch us say 1st August pepepe iwasum na tie me 1st August pepepe 21 Watermelon Street and I say 22 Green Hill Street oba ozo apam hot kinky see you no ono anam ne ye adwuma hai dada no a ni nyina na say Joyce Bread and Pastries wamada romanti wamode dokono bi aba na no bretu ba no osu odi dokono pa me birthday ni yama dokono mienu wantimi ani Joyce Kenke wamode dokono ni bi yama ni mienu wasu ono wokopoku ase ana ofanko bari ya ho a dokono bi omoto no bari ana se wo pe wamode hyehyɛ nkyina bi wase ho no wotimi to nan na wadi abom baako wono nko awo na be ma tenten kura de otimi di be nsia saa da no me birthday no yama ro mu mienu nyina mienu wo ba ko kura wo mo ntimi ani enso ye to no 3 Ghana cedis pe 3 Ghana cedis pe ewo just what kenke na no na make am for dia ma wo enti ba bia wo bia wo a wo to ndoko no wo kura titiri na make am asemi hwe afa na wo kodon aburo na nsa na nan na ade akọ nika akọ abefoto na no so kura ma ade ache so be na enu na nsa ansa na wo de aka ndoko no ebedu wo no na osika kura no wo mo ebeto na kura nya no mbu afu no mo gya hoko eno nti yase se achira na wo kwa akoto ndoko na bomoden na bra yakache ewo dome commercial bank rachiri ho no just bakery yaso ye ho no na betu dokono no fa kokoton bi nso wo ntimi nko de si butebru bre no so time no apese ye de bra wo no frɛ ye he opase ye de mako e na hye to ka ho ye de beka ho de amawo yamfa saadi ebinum kura pe binsi ane nkruma ye wele yamfa wele ni beef ntutumu a ye be ni nyina kama e de amaw na afei mo a mo pe nchena mo no nyina no say ya red fish panla anase tikomo ne ni a chene nyina bie ni nyina bia ka ho meka ya manfo osresre say ya wa mo de ye no ni nyina ye rebeka ho e de abesi junction so no ane say wo ton na de age usika eye na wo ye no wa de na wo ye no me pacho party no ohia say o de dokono e be serve wase ye your numbers na frɛ 0256 068 832 0256 068 832 one mother roma and one so yasene ma yede kase every no num mpamu ede ba besi no nsia bremu yede esomwo ye dane ye ho sima no ba akopɛ ye ba ko na Ireland fo wo mo si akwadwofo ye gu ase ya wo mo mpa bra bia bo South Africa hai wo mo apam mako 42 ye de mo nkyiremu e bra wasisi a
Point homeopathy clinic Ghana had the obi enim say say prostate na baby omutimi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a na e endpoint homeopathy clinic anase e kidney e liver problem wo fa baby e na adjujo na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia asa wo di ne ho agro asa wo to nte ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye moa wo e ma ne mema mo pa wo e ye endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo dem fua yare bia infections bi ne wo ho anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adjujo kidney problem prostate de e endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic e wo konoma boy hia e na Accra hanso so de wo mu ginamu ankasa e wo Spintex zebre friend share signboard no hudru na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic obia e be kire wo for endpoint e wo 0244 867068 and 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mu dem fua
TV Emma Aketiapa
eya no kwasempa Emma Aketiapa afi ya den sam no ekwa akopie mu ewo amononi mi aba akono so na abehunu sa afi yesutu pa na amononi nsem wa ye kwe ye kwa akopie mu ewo Ireland wo mo se World Cup yo mo nka ho entu wo mo se kire wo mukuro na wo mo wa no wo se nipa bi ohwe mo tiri nyina ya horodo kakra no nim so nkrom ye ni jefo wo mo hwe wo mo niam mu ano sa akwadufo ebia everyone can say you people go back to your country you go back to your country go back to your country na nipa makoma edua na mienu 42 wo nyina South Africa fo akwadufo e na won akopi ho na won buza na mo no mo pa mo nkofo se won mo gimadwuma wo so no mo be pede Ireland ha na mo de enwuma busu wo mo area ho no mo nkofo bi nye na mo ba ha na ya said that chartered flight to Ukraine yes and omagu e dey makogu say enche bia no omadu Pretoria say Joe Biden so dey omakwakosi a na ye omagu hoboko no mo kire say emema nko amako enkono 9 ena ma adu nwotwe hwe wo se hwe na nkwada wo mu ye mako dunum ena ye do mo free Dublin and ye no awiampo a ena ye do mo free Dublin amene wo ka say ya enei anope ya eno bedu South Africa say go back into obi go back across South Africa say wo moti wo nyina no wo mu ni nkrata na mo say atinte wo tu amoto ana mo hwira treja srama South Africa asem ne ya kana sa no mo atinte wo tu amoto ana mo hwira treja srama na Ghana National Immigration Bureau Ghana Immigration Service wo mo de no a ana American so anka ya ICE-fo ana wo mudi omudwuma na wo mu se wo mu ahwe deportation order ya issue de Ireland authority for no wo mu issue but wo mu ahwe mu two individuals bi no more criminal convictions our Ireland ho na wo mu hwe ma no wo mu hwom ene se akire Ireland Minister for Justice Ghana ha anka ya Dr. Dominic Ayene anka ya no ya friend Jim Okalagan wo no hwe mu din no hu se South Africa for bi wo mo hye baabi wo mo mra na ya adwuma pa wo mo hye baabi a baabi wo mo hye no aso mo bobo illegal structure eno ma hye da atwetwela eno kro mo sa abo aban ne ka atwetwela ite de akoko ho no wo mo wi ankane a te so wo mo nyina so mo akwadefo sa ya akronfo esan ka ho ena Jim Okalagan wo hwe akire wodin no say nkrofo na ha no wona hye eno wo mo ye task force for ready immigration for no na Ghana National Immigration Bureau wo mo tefa ho eno wo kwa chi wo mo nyina aduanan mienu no say why is here aha no he go back to your country monkwa chichire mo man na se chichire ma na ye yi a anka Ghana boa mo na so mapam mo nyina mo moko we so na ye gina se nipa makoma kwa aduanan mienu a ya pam wo mo say go back to your country every Ireland edu mo ni ache mo back to South Africa no ye de wo AC shanan so medimafo aba center na so ya sene bra Joshua Kenke enso ebo ye chidom no ye de ebe sombo Sompa 106.5 FM kan ha de no nie Sompa 93.1 e wa Santamanta Mukumase Adamfo Pa Radio e wa France ahenkro pare num e hona abra ye commentary no na Kylian Mbappe gina park su nyina no na wo tie commentary no di free ha sei no e na bio Sompa 101.1 e watakwa 103.3 e watakwa de 98.9 wo sunyane 106.1 e wo Tachimai 90.7 won kranza 101.3 e wo doma hona doma FM fanoto nchenkra na 100.7 wono age kase ndededa kana hye ban radio enso e fa kase ye ya wafa ne nyina ama mfifi mantamfo no enye bi etie ana afi eye Kareshi ban radio eje fan kra ha sei no na Kingdom ahememu 106.1 ewo mankasi mu a wona na efa e de ama mfemfe mantamofo no nyina Facebook no channel so we eye new eye Sompa Accra 106.5 live Sompa Accra 106.5 live ena YouTube no eye Sompa FM live channel so se TikTok wo nyina no yebutu ho udru wa double tap share fa comment to na obia so enya bi enkenkan enuanom a ye je bre St. Augustine Adawroma de call Facebook ni YouTube ni TikTok ni nyina so ma ba ma 10 gram ene bretuba won boy chidom bra na ye Prince Taboaten e boy ti bre kase wode aka ho bi ame abesom wo no memedin odoman kuma chi ame OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH men network menembra
triple A man AGYA Apam Dadaa
tonte yanum sane afadwene mpa say na nanu nim se brebi beba ama tonti na 74 upa ye ne simple T74 abeya aduru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twa dwene asina nanum dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanum enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74